Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you? So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you create beautiful and bright ornate mandala. I have not uploaded a video on this topic, ornate mandala, but today I'm going to show a step-by-step process, and I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. So first of all, as we all know that to make a mandala, we need to make a grid properly. So if you want to know about how to make a grid, you can check my previous videos on this topic, that how to make a mandala grid. After making the mandala grid, I am going to use the golden metallic marker to outline the ornate mandala. So to make the basic grid, I used pencil, ruler, compass to make circles and divide the page evenly. This grid helps to maintain balance and symmetry while drawing the mandala patterns. I made concentric circles and divided the sheet into equal sections using straight lines. If you want to learn more about the mandala, go and subscribe my channel. Do like, share and comment my videos, and subscribe the channel so that you can check the upcoming videos and upcoming mandala tutorials on time. Click on the bell icon also so that you will get notified. Now I am starting with the first layer of petals in the center. Slowly I build outward, adding more petal shapes and details. I am using the golden marker which I told earlier, so I can adjust the shapes if needed. Each layer is drawn with attention of flow and symmetry. After completing the outlining of the whole pattern with the marker, basically I want to tell you that why the outline is important, because it helps define the shapes clearly and gives the mandala a neat finish. Take your time and make sure your hand stays steady. अभी आपने देखा होगा कि मैंने बहुत छोटे छोटे पैटर्न्स बनाए हैं, बहुत छोटे छोटे डिटेल्स में बनाए हैं. आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग इन्हें एडजस्ट कर सकते हो, शेप्स को एडजस्ट कर सकते हो और साइजेस को भी एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. मैंने इसलिए छोटे छोटे बनाए हैं ये पैटर्न्स क्योंकि इसके अंदर हमें डिटेलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करनी है, जस्ट कलरिंग वाला पार्ट रहेगा ज़्यादा. अगर आपको इसके अंदर डिटेल्स करनी है तो आप बड़े पैटर्न्स भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो या बड़ी शेप्स भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. As you have seen that I am using the Doms metallic marker, golden color. You can buy of any company or of any brand you want. So I have reached the final layer of my mandala outline. I hope you have learnt about it and you are enjoying this process. I hope you have liked and comment my video. If you want to learn mandala on a specific topic, please let me know in comments. I will definitely teach you with that mandala topic. After completing the outline, the first thing I need to do is to erase the pencil traces and pencil marks so that we can color the entire ornate mandala properly. Now I am using the black color gel pen also to make the outline of the ornate mandala. It's necessary because it will highlight the pattern and designing of the mandala. Did you notice that I have used minimum patterns or details in this shapes? I am using the sky blue color in center. So if I talk about the color combinations, I have used the green, yellow, blue and pink. So you can choose the color combination according to you, but you should always select the color or choose the colors according to the best color combination, so that your mandala looks very prettiest and attractive. Layer by layer we need to color the patterns and shapes of this mandala. This is the best part of mandala coloring. I am using vibrant sketch pens to bring life to this artwork. मैंने यहाँ पे ब्रश पेन्स यूज़ किए हैं कैमलिन कंपनी के, and they are very vibrant, attractive and very smooth, very pigmented, so you can also try these markers. This video is not paid, so it's my personal opinion. आप ब्रश पेन्स को यूज़ कर सकते हो डेफिनेटली. बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट है इनका, बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज़ हैं. So as I told that I chose bright shades of pink, blue, yellow and green to create a beautiful contrast. Each section is colored mindfully, making sure the colors flow well across the mandala. This type of mandala is very time taking, so I will suggest that when you will draw this type of mandala, please be patient. बिकॉज अगर आप पेशेंस के साथ करोगे ना, तो आपका मंडला डेफिनेटली बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया बनने वाला है, उसके रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छे रहने वाले हैं. पेशेंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेक अ मंडला. सो ये एक बेसिकली एक टिप या ट्रिक आप समझ लीजिए कि अगर आपको मंडला ड्रॉ करना है तो आपको पेशेंस के साथ करना होगा, तभी उसके रिजल्ट्स भी परफेक्ट ही रहेंगे. So I'm going to complete the inner circle of my ornate mandala. आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लग रही है? Do you really enjoying this video? Please let me know in comments also, so that I'll get motivated for the next video. As I am using vibrant shades of colors in this mandala, but I'll definitely use the pastel colors in ornate mandala in my upcoming ornate mandala tutorial, so stay tuned to see the difference also. So once the coloring will done, I'm going over any dull lines with the pen again to make them pop. You can see how the design looks more detailed and bright now. If I talk about the gel pen I'm using to fill the details and designing, this is basic gel pen which you can buy from any local stationery shop. इस टाइप का मंडला मैं बहुत कम ड्रॉ करती हूँ, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ आई टोल्ड यू दैट इट्स टाइम टेकिंग. सो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूँगी, लेकिन आप लोग ज़रूर ट्राई करना है इसको. मैंने इसीलिए स्पेशल ये ट्यूटोरियल आप लोगों के लिए बनाया है, ताकि आप लोग इसको ट्राई करो एंड इन्जॉय करो इस प्रोसेस को. बट हाँ, जितना ही टाइम टेकिंग है उतना इसका रिज़ल्ट बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया रहता है, बहुत अच्छा रहता है. सो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस प्रोसेस आपका मन करता है कि आप इसको देखते रहो, इसका रिज़ल्ट देखते रहो, क्योंकि लिटरली मैं बहुत देर तक इस मंडला को देखती हूँ. जितनी बार भी मैं इस टाइप के मंडलाज बनाती हूँ या देखती हूँ, मैं जितनी बार भी उनको देखूँगी उतनी बार ही मुझे वो अच्छे लगते हैं. सो बेसिकली our ornate mandala is going to complete now. So I hope you enjoyed the process and feel inspired to create your own. I'll suggest that please try this mandala at your own. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such art content. I hope you have enjoyed it, and please share my video with your family and friends so that they can also try this type of mandala. So this is complete now. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, take care all.